Student, the topic will be discussed today: acid, bases, and salts. First of all, acids. Acid will be defined keeping in view the need of preparation of buffer, not as in detail usually discussed in inorganic chemistry. Acid is a species, acid is a substance, acid is a material which may give, which has ability to donate H positive ion, proton, say HCl. Say sulfuric acid, say nitric acid, say acetic acid, say tartaric acid, say lactic acid, lactic acid. Similarly, these acid, HCl, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, these acids are known as strong acid. These acids, lactic acid, acetic acid, carbonic acid, these acids are known as weak acid. Which type of acid are known as strong acid and which type of acid are known as weak acid? That depends its extent of ionization. If an acid as HCl, it is completely ionizable in a solvent as H positive and chloride ion. So any species, any acidic species which is completely ionized in some suitable solvent, especially in water, then that acid is called strong acid. A strong acid on dissociation is completely converted into its constituents, positive ion and negative ion, proton and anion. So this acid has no sign of reversibility. This acid is completely shown by a complete arrow. There is no this type of arrow. There is no sign of reversibility. This acid is shown by complete arrow. Similarly, sulfuric acid is a strong acid. When it is added to water, it is converted into proton and hydrogen sulfate bisulfate ion. And this bisulfate ion is further hydrolyzed and is converted into proton and sulfate ion. So this acid, which is sulfuric acid, it splits up into two steps. First step is in which there is complete ionization as H positive and bisulfate. In case of second step, bisulfate plus water, there is sign of reversibility. So this is partially, weakly, very poorly ionized into H positive and sulfate ion. Similarly, phosphoric acid. It ionized as H positive ion and hydrogen phosphate. Then this hydrogen phosphate ionized into H positive and hydrogen phosphate. This hydrogen phosphate ionized into phosphate ion. So this step is very quick, very rapid. So here phosphoric acid ionized quickly into H positive and dihydrogen phosphate ion. So here you can say this step is very strong. This is weak. This is again weak because here partial ionization takes place. Similarly, nitric acid. It dissociates into H positive and nitrate ion in aqueous media. Their dissociation is complete. So it is a strong acid. Any acid which is completely ionizable in a suitable solvent like water is known as strong acid, which is partially ionizable, poorly ionizable, weakly ionizable, sparingly ionizable in water, then it is called as weak acid. For example, acetic acid. Acetic acid plus water. This acetic acid is weak acid. It dissociates as acetate ion and H ion. Is this acetate ion carries